Are you in the market for a new furnace and considering buying a Carrier? Stay tuned for our review to learn more about Carrier's different model series and how they compare, average prices including installation costs, top features, and things to consider before you buy. Carrier Furnace Series. Let's start with Carrier's entry-level Comfort Series, which is a relatively economical line that features single-stage furnaces. These models are more basic and won't be as efficient or heat your home quite as consistently due to their simple, single-stage operation, which only has one heating output level. Comfort Series furnaces offer solid, though not exceptional, warranty coverage of 20 years for the heat exchanger and 10 years for parts. But their relatively more affordable price means you should still get an adequate unit for less than Carrier's higher-end models. The mid-range Performance Series features one model, a two-stage furnace with a quieter and more efficient variable speed blower motor. This model is ENERGY STAR certified and features a higher AFUE, or Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency rating, making it more economical to operate. This furnace is more advanced than Carrier's entry-level models in terms of specification and design, and it also has more of their exclusive features, though not as many as the top-tier models. The top-tier Infinity Series furnaces are also ENERGY STAR certified and include a two-stage furnace model and a more advanced modulating furnace, and both are equipped with sophisticated variable speed blower motors. Infinity models give you precision control over your home heating, letting you maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. They also have several exclusive features designed to improve comfort, air quality, efficiency, and convenience. Carrier average prices. The cost of your furnace can be affected by installation costs, where you live, the size of your home, and even the age of the unit you're replacing, among other things. The type of furnace you choose will determine how many advanced features it has, and sometimes how extensive the warranty coverage is. But it will also affect the total cost. As we just discussed, Carrier furnaces can be broken down into three tiers. Entry-level models, roughly $3,500 to $5,000, including installation. Mid-range models, usually about $5,000 to $6,000, and top-tier models, $6,000 to $7,500, and more. Carrier exclusive features. Carrier furnaces have a wide range of features, from smart control to safety ignition systems, helping make Carrier furnaces a popular choice among homeowners. Let's take a moment to go over some of the top features. The Comfort Fan feature gives you control over fan speed in constant on mode, so you can choose how fast and thoroughly you want your air to circulate, especially if you're heating your home to a significantly higher temperature. The Infinity System Control is Carrier's smart thermostat, which can be controlled remotely from virtually anywhere in the world using your smartphone or other mobile devices. The Green Speed Intelligence is a special technology that's only available with Carrier's top-of-the-line model. This cutting-edge technology produces a furnace which Carrier claims leads the industry in dehumidification, quiet operation, and energy-efficient performance. There are a whole lot of other features unique to individual models too, so be sure to check our full review for more details. Or dig into the brochures and talk with sales experts to explore everything you'll get when buying a Carrier furnace. Should you consider a Carrier? With Carrier, you can find single-stage, two-stage, modulating, and variable speed furnaces in their lineup, meaning there should be a suitable option for most buyers and budget levels from this manufacturer. Carrier also has a few innovative technologies that improve your comfort by increasing humidity control, improving temperature consistency, and increasing air circulation. The bottom line, Carrier's products can be very energy efficient and include several advanced technologies, but expect to pay a premium for their furnaces compared to some other major brands. Furthermore, Carrier offers decent but not exceptional warranty coverage. So there you have it, our thoughts on Carrier's furnaces. Let us know what you think. Be sure to like and subscribe, and browse our site to find the latest heating and cooling system reviews, helpful guides, service quotes, and more.